Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to reset password for secure folder on Android. So guys, remember that you will lose all your data in the secure folder on doing this method. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to the settings on your device. And now just simply tap on the profile icon on the right side over here beside the search icon. And now from here, just simply go ahead and scroll down to the very bottom. And from here, just simply tap on sign out. And from here, as you can see, make sure to tap on sign out again. And after that, just simply provide your password to proceed. And now once you have signed out, guys, just simply go ahead and go to the secure folder. And from here, you will see something like this. And after that, just simply tap on uninstall over here and tap on uninstall. And from there, guys, just simply go ahead and create a new secure folder over here. So just simply go to your notification bar. And from here, just simply tap on secure folder and tap on agree. And from here, you should be able to sign in into your account and you should be able to create a new password and you should be able to set a new one. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe and thanks for watching.